Alright, an ERS 52-inch.
Red housing with, I'm not sure if this is an aftermarket light kit. It appears to be. This fan still needs a little work. The flywheel's a little sketchy, so I pretty much run it on a low because I think one of the blades are out of clock. And she wobbles a bit, but we'll start her up for you and kick the lights out.
Alright.
Peterson might be upset because the Hunter came down.
No. Where's the light? Oh yeah. Here's the bottom.
This one's kind of, the way this housing fits, it's kind of fussy with the switch. You almost have to push up on it.
Oh, there it goes.
Up light.
Let me turn that off a minute. That's a pretty cool fan.
Honestly, it doesn't get much weirder and cooler than that. She runs pretty good air on low speed.
Too bad we can't kick it up higher.
Yeah, like I say,
I don't want it to fly off the
We're
ceiling.
still working on that.
Let's turn the other light on again.
And I think those are actually Casablanca shade, double glass shade.
Uh,
Like I say, I do not believe the light kit is original. I guess if anybody has any more information on if the light kit was even available for these like this, we appreciate it.
You want to shut her off?
Do a little spin down.
Spin
This one hasn't
down.
been running in a while. We just put it up today, so see how she goes.
First one of these to ever be put on my channel. I videoed lots of
I don't
fans.
think too many of those even exist because it seems like you'll see one or two or maybe even three pop up within a year and then nothing.
There's a couple in the museum. Or
Yeah.
at least
Yeah,
one.
the red housing and the other all glass housing. I think Jeff Doctor's got that one. Or one of them. Or no, he's got a red housing too. You got that from Brian Peterson.
It takes a while.
Actually, not bad for.
See.
Well, when I first got it, I serviced it. It was up there for about a year. Then I took it down just to rotate fans. And I kind of missed it. Put it back on.
This looks good in here, but I really like that original in
Yeah,
here.
I think we might put the original in the bedroom.
That'd look good in there.
Because the original is actually a really good air mover.
The view fan looks
This
good in
looks
there
just
though.
enough for circulation on a low.
That U42 in there hauls on high, man.
Oh, this one here.
Almost done. And that's it.
That's the way she goes. Thanks for watching.
Have a good day.